Hello everyone. What I have here is a Viro Euro cylinder. It was a full Euro cylinder until a little while ago. I snapped it and then ground it off a little bit. I did a video on it earlier. The pick went fairly smooth, but the cutting was a little bit of a lengthy one. I had to remove the circlip. There we go. Come on. After I got it picked, I realized then that the circlip was still in the way and I had to remove it. Ended up stabbing myself in the finger a few times. Let's go ahead and get it picked and gutted. Click on 3. Click and set on 4. Pin 1. Set. Counter rotation and a set on 3 that time. Oh, no, that was pin 2 earlier. This is pin 1. And open. Alright, let me move this out of the way. Yeah, this isn't a lock you see very often here in America. See, it is picked. Oh, there was our bitting, by the way. It's a fairly worn key, really rounded. And I made sure that I picked the external part of the lock. I believe this is external. I don't really know what that says. If I can find the other half of it. Yeah, I think this was the external part of the lock, which I always try to pick if it's marked internal or external, because I just think they'll be the tougher side of the lock to pick. Alright. What I did not set out was a shim. Alright. There's our key pins. They all look standard from what I can see. Standard, standard, standard. Yep, all standard key pins. I'm expecting spools from the top. Let me get the shim out of the way. Alright, pin 1 is a spool. Spool. Should be a standard in here somewhere. 3 spools so far. Huh. all spools, no standard pins whatsoever. All the springs are being stubborn. That one's a little bent up. Alright, that is the Viro Euro cylinder. Oh, what's up with this light? There we go. Show a little shot of it. Yeah, all spools. Kind of odd. I was expecting to see a standard in there somewhere. I think I'm going to go ahead and replace the spring in pin 4, or chamber 4. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to get back to my New Year's drinking. Hope everyone has a happy New Year, and I'll see you soon. Good night.